Hey guys, welcome back to my space. My name is Brenda. I'm here to teach you what you need to know about the Italian driver's license, which is the patente, like the Italians call it. Okay, so today we'll be talking about the forbidden signals. The forbidden signals, which is divieto. Okay, divieto means forbidden. Okay, so for those of you that do not know the meaning of divieto, it means something that is forbidden. You should avoid that particular thing. You should not do what they are telling you not to do. You should not do it. Okay, so I'll be looking down a little bit on my phone because I'm using my phone to give the answers to the questions. Okay, so I'll be putting the signals by the side so you know, understand what I'm trying to say. So this video I'll be splitting it into 3 places because these signals, I think there are 39 signals. These divieto signals, there are a lot, so I'll be splitting it into 3, like part 1, 2 and 3 of divieto signals. Okay, so I'll start with this first signal, which is divieto di transito. Okay, this divieto di transito, it's a signal that forbids you not to go in or out of a road. If you see this signal on a road, it is telling you to avoid that road. You cannot go in, you cannot go out. You are forbidden not to go in or out of that road. Okay, once you see it on that road, use another road. You cannot go in, you cannot go out. Okay, there's another one. I will be putting the images here, like I said earlier. There's another one, divieto di transito per auto treni ed auto articolati. Okay, this one is another signal. Okay, when you see the signal on the road, there's always a panel at the downside of it that is telling you the type of cars they are talking about. Okay, this one is saying auto train and these vehicles that carry goods are not allowed. That's auto articles vehicle. They are not allowed to use that particular road. Other vehicles can use this road, but auto treno, auto articolati, they are not allowed on that road. You will see the image at the bottom of the signal. It is called divieto di transito per auto treno and auto articolati. As simple as that. Those 2 vehicles cannot use that road. Other vehicles can go, but just those 2 vehicles cannot go. Okay, there's another one, senso vietato. Senso vietato. So this one is also a divieto sign. That's a forbidden sign that is telling you on that road you cannot enter. On that road you cannot enter, but you can come out of that road. It's like a one-way circulation road. On that very road you cannot enter, but you can come out. As simple as that. Okay, there's another one that says divieto di sorpasso. Divieto di sorpasso. This very image I'm showing you, that one of the car is black, one of the car is red. It's called divieto di sorpasso. When you see this signal on the road, it is telling you that you cannot overtake. First of all, the meaning of sorpasso, for those of you that do not know, it means overtake. This signal is telling you that you cannot overtake a vehicle that has more than 2 tires. You cannot overtake a vehicle that has more than 2 tires, which is, you cannot overtake a vehicle like a car, a normal car. You cannot overtake a trailer, but you can overtake motorcycles that has just 2 tires. You cannot overtake quadricycle because it has 4 tires. You cannot overtake tricycle because it has 3 tires, but you can overtake motorcycle because it has 2 tires. As a car, that's the only thing you can overtake whenever you see the signal on the road. You can overtake bikes that has 2 tires. You can overtake bicycle. Then you can overtake that wheelbarrow. Okay, and you can overtake humans. Okay, because we also have 2 feet, 2 legs, sorry to say. But you cannot overtake any vehicle that has more than 2 tires. As simple as that. Okay, this other one that I want to show you now is fine del divieto di sorpasso. Okay, when you see this fine del divieto di sorpasso, is the opposite of the first one that I was talking about. Okay, fine del divieto di sorpasso is now telling you you have come to this road is the end of the place where you cannot, that's where you cannot overtake a vehicle that has more than two tires. So from here henceforth, you can start overtaking any type of vehicle. Either they have 2 tires or not, you can start overtaking them. Okay, that is when they say fine. Fine means something has come to an end. Okay, so the next one here is divieto di sorpasso per gli autocarri che soprano 3,5. So this one, this image, you can see that one of the image is like this auto articolati. What do? They carry goods from place to place. Auto treno, they are talking about auto carry, auto articolati, and auto snodati, I think. Auto treni, auto carry, and auto articolati, sorry to say. So these various vehicles, they are used to carry goods from one place to another. Okay, they are not talking about the smaller cars this time. They are talking about those big vehicles that carry goods from place to place. Okay, for those vehicles, when they see this signal on the road, this particular signal that is here, it means that you cannot overtake any vehicle that has an engine. Okay, any vehicles that has an engine, that there's engine inside, you cannot overtake. If you're on that road, you cannot overtake vehicles, cars, you cannot overtake bikes, because they have engine, except humans or bicycle. But as far as there's engine on that vehicle, you cannot overtake that vehicle. Okay, and it also says here that is if you see this signal on the road and you are driving autobus, a bus, you are driving auto snodati and auto caravan, you are not included on this one. It's only those people that carry goods and services, not a vehicle that carry people. No, they are talking about vehicles that carry goods. That's what they are talking about here. So the other one here is fine del divieto di sorpasso. Like I said earlier, once you see fine, it means the end of something. So as somebody that is carrying that is driving a car that is carrying goods, when you see this fine, that means it has come to an end, that now you can overtake as you want. You can overtake any vehicle as you want, as simple as that. So I will stop here and there will be a part 2. Thank you.